Good morning, everyone. So, this is our chicken project, and those are the birds we have. So, we had to start small because since we started our farm, we've been having a challenge of workers. They come, they work 1 month, 2 weeks, they go. So, we decided to start small, and for the birds, we started with only 10, but with time we shall keep increasing. This time 10, next time we add 10, they'll be 20. When we sell off those ones, we add 10, they become 30. That's how we're going to be doing. We also have cattle, have piggery. For the pigs, those are a lot of pigs. So that's another topic again. So kindly just subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more videos, and I'm a new farmer, so if you see any mistake or any problem in my farm, you can advise. Any advice is needed. Just subscribe for more videos. We also do agriculture. Is it agriculture? Crop production. We have banana plantation. We have passion fruits. So they're in the nursery bed. You are going to start transplanting. We grow a lot of things. So for the pigs, for those who want to buy, I'll tell you when they are ready. So and now I have pigeons, as you see them.